Today we're going to be putting door locks on this 1978 K10. You can get door locks off eBay or your auto parts store. While doing this, the door wants to swing open and shut a lot, so I use this handy device, which is just a magnet and a cable or string or whatever, and you just open up the door, hold on there, and it'll hold your door open for you. Now, you're going to have to remove a couple bolts in your door panel. And I like to keep a magnetic tray just to keep them all there for me. There's sometimes one behind your door handle, and you also have to take off your latch, which is there's a little C-clip in here, and there's that clip. It just slides in these slots. And holds it on to this nipple. Now you'll want to push in. You should actually remove your door lock too, just to make it easier for yourself. Make sure you have all the bolts out. It'll just kindly use a little attention and it'll pop right off. Just make sure your screws are out. Now that you have your door panel off, you'll put your window back up. You have your window down in the beginning so you don't scratch it pulling out the clips. And inside the slot, you'll be able to get the lock. Let me show you what it looks like in there. So this pin, you want to pull it out. It's like a little C-clip, and then your door lock will just fall out. And now that you have this clip out, this is what the clip will look like. And you can just throw that away, you don't need that anymore. And then you just push from behind and a little shake and a little wiggle, and your old door lock will come out. Now this little clip is holding it on this bar, and you'll want to spin the clip so that way that little bar comes out of that hole. Try not to break it because some of the kids don't come up with extras. And then you'll push it out of the slot and your bar will come out. This piece is trash, you don't need it anymore. In your box, I've already done the other side, so there's only going to be one in here. You'll get the clear spacer that goes around the cylinder, and you'll get your new C-clip. And here is your new shiny door lock. They come in black or chrome. Put your gel spacer so it's watertight. Make sure you put it on there the right way. Push it down all the way. And then you'll take that bar, making sure to put it on there the right way. And then the little C-clip, we'll go over that. You might want to bend it out again, just in case if when you put it on or took it off the first time, you didn't take the flex bolt out of it, and you'll spin it to where that little tab will go in the hole and push it in. You could use a punch to help. Now you'll take your door lock, you'll slide it in the hole, and that bar should go inside of a square slot. You'll watch that little bar move when I lock and unlock the door. So making sure it's in that slot, you'll now take your C-clip and slide it in exactly how it came out. Check, make sure your door locks. Door's locked. Door's unlocked. You don't want to use regular WD-40 for this because it'll collect dust. Instead, use their specialist and just spray it on the slides. And on the bottom slide too. And also where the doors ride. On both sides if you can get there. And then when you're done with this, you'll have to clean your windows. But just that little bit makes it a lot easier. So now after that, we'll take our door panel and slap it back on there. Make sure you line up the locking bar and the door handle. Slap it back in place. Then you'll take your screws. Now, you can either put the door handle back on and then put your C-clip in, but it's easier just to insert the C-clip in the travel lines. Sure it locks in there. And then wherever you want it to be, you just smack it up on there. And it should be all good. And last but not least, little tab. And that is how you put a locking mechanism on your K10s. For watching.